how to fix AirPods not working on your iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix if your AirPods is not working or if one of your AirPods is not playing or working. Now what you can do is, if you're having this bug or this issue, is simply head over to your Bluetooth, right? Open up your Bluetooth on your device and head into Bluetooth settings first. Then here what you can do is, if you have a particular AirPods here, then you can tap on the eye icon beside it, beside your AirPods, and then you want to tap on forget this device, and then you want to forget it. So you want to remove it from your connections. Then what you want to do is you want to put your AirPods, both your AirPod on your AirPod box, and once you do so, you want to make sure that the box has charge as well. So you might want to try and plug it into charge real quick. Once you do so, what you can do is you can go ahead and connect it back to your device, and once you connect it, you should be able to fix the issue, or the issue should be fixed. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.